My name is James Henley. I'm an exercise science master's student here at Kennesaw State University. As a graduate teaching assistant, I'll start my day in the biomechanics lab by turning on all of the equipment and making sure that anything that is needed to be used throughout the day is ready to go. This is important because any of the undergraduate students that need to use the lab for research with any of their professors, all of the equipment would already be set up for them. After I'm done setting up the biomechanics lab, I'll make my way up to the graduate lounge where I'm able to study before I go to class. One of my favorite things about the graduate lounge is being able to use the whiteboard that's available for us to draw out any diagrams or any flowcharts that we might need to use to study for class. After I'm done studying for the day, I like to go out to the green if it's nice and just relax. The green is a really nice place for students to come and be able to throw football and hang out with their friends. In the afternoon, I head over to the exercise physiology lab and help some of my professors do research. This includes body composition for participants, where we are able to give them muscle density and body fat percentages. I've really enjoyed getting involved in research with my professors because it's allowed me to grow connections with everyone involved, as well as finding a new passion after the military. That's pretty much what a day in the life of an exercise science student is here at KSU. Thank you for following me on my day.